Hello everyone. Advanced internal combustion engineering. First question. Dash contain a non-negligible fraction of the cylinder charge at the condition that are different from the rest of the combustion chamber. Option B. Heat transfer is the correct answer. Second question. Dash is added to cylinder which vaporizes and mixes with the air to produce fuel layer ratio distribution which is non-uniform and varies with time. Option A. Liquid fuel is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Third question. The dash of available correlation for predicting heat transfer in diesel which cannot be determined exactly. Option D. Accuracy is the correct answer. Fourth question. It controls the fuel delivery and ignition timing by receiving information from dash. Option C. Sensors is the correct answer. Fifth question. This fuel delivery system is controlled by dash to provide learn and rich mixer depending on operating condition. Option A. ECU is the correct answer. Sixth question. Dash is the outer cell exposed to exhaust gas and inner electrode is exposed to ambient air. Option D. Zirconium dioxide. Option D is the correct answer. Zirconium dioxide. Seventh question. This dash state and composition of the bird gas is non-uniform. Option C. Thermodynamic is the correct answer. Eighth question. The design of the burn engine incorporates a simple dash combustion chamber housed in the piston cone. Option B. Open combustion. Option B is the correct answer. Ninth question. The dash and gas fuel are correctly mixed under the control of the engine management system. Option D. Air is the correct answer. Air and gas fuel. Option D is the correct answer. 10th question. The sampling pump is used to draw nearly dash of exhaust gas by main of spring operant pump and released pneumatic operation of the diaphragm. Option A. 300 cc is the correct answer. Check the description box for more. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel, Chrome Tech. All the best for your examination.